Welcome to the final part of our journey together. First of all, I just want to say a huge thank you. You've taken the time, energy, and investment to go through this entire course. And that tells me one thing. You're serious about taking your brand to the next level. You're not just here to learn, you're here to apply, execute, and grow. And that's exactly what this course is designed to help you do. But here's the truth. The journey doesn't stop here. In fact, this is just the beginning. Everything we've covered in this course is foundational to building a powerful brand and a strong social media presence. But now it's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice, because knowledge without action won't take you anywhere. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane to reinforce the most important lessons from this course. Starting with Chapter 1, we started with the basics, understanding how social media has evolved and how critical it is for your business. We discussed how to define your audience, set clear goals, and build a strategic approach that works. We then went on to Chapter 2, where we dove into actionable strategies to increase revenue through smart use of social media. We talked about everything from building brand awareness, leveraging social media advertising, working with influencers, and even measuring your ROI to ensure you're on track. We then moved on to Chapter 3, and this was a big one. Your personal brand really is the most important asset in today's world. And we covered in detail how to craft your unique value proposition, tell your brand story authentically, and build an audience that truly connects with you. We explored real-world case studies like Cristiano Ronaldo, Kylie Jenner, and even Logan Paul and KSI to show you how personal branding drives success. Next was Chapter 4. We took a deep dive into how social media algorithms have shifted focus from followers to interests, and how short-form content has become one of the most important tools in your marketing toolbox. By leveraging trends, creating engaging short-form videos, and adapting content for each platform, you learned how to create content that resonates with your audience and reaches new heights. Now that we've wrapped up the content of this course, what comes next? Well, the first thing I want you to remember is that learning is just the beginning. Execution is where the magic happens. Your next steps should be action-orientated. You've got all this valuable knowledge. Now it's time to implement it into your business and your marketing strategy. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a franchise owner, or someone building their personal brand, the best thing you can do is take the first step, no matter how small. Now I want to leave you with an exercise that will help cement everything that you've learned. This isn't just busy work. This is a real exercise that, if you commit to it, will set you up for success moving forward. Let's look at your 30-day social media roadmap. Over the next 30 days, I want you to create and implement your own social media roadmap. Here's how you can do it. Let's start with define your goals. Set specific, measurable goals for what you want to achieve in the next 30 days. Whether it's increasing engagement, growing your followers, or driving more traffic to your website, be clear and specific. Next is analyze your data. Look at your current social media performance. What's working, what isn't. Use the data you already have to refine your approach. And most importantly, leave your emotions out for this one. Next, create your content calendar. Map out your content for the next 30 days. Make sure you're using a mix of short-form videos, photos, and engaging captions. Don't forget to incorporate trends and hashtags to maximize reach. Next, engage with your audience. Spend time daily engaging with your audience. Reply to comments, answer messages, and start conversations. And if you've left things piling up, go back and revisit it. This will build relationships and increase your brand loyalty. Next, review and adjust. At the end of the 30 days, take a step back. Review your results. What worked, what didn't. Use that data to adjust your strategy for the following 30 days. This exercise will help you solidify everything you've learned in this course. It will push you to start taking action and experimenting, which is where real growth happens. And as if the course wasn't already packed with value, here's what else you'll be getting as part of your journey with Social Awaken Academy. Each of you who has completed the course will have the opportunity for a one-on-one call with myself. This is a chance for us to dive deeper into your strategy, answer any questions you might have, and provide personalized guidance to help you grow your brand. Next, you'll be getting a copy of my book, You Are the Brand. I've poured my heart and years of experience into this book, and it's all about personal branding. As part of this course, you'll receive a free copy. This will be another valuable resource you can use to further refine your personal brand and marketing approach. Next, you are now part of an exclusive community of entrepreneurs, influencers, and business owners. Through the Social Awaken Academy community, you'll be able to connect with like-minded people, share ideas, and support each other as you continue growing. This network is invaluable. Use it to your advantage. Next, as a thank you for your dedication, you'll receive some exclusive Social Awaken merchandise. Wear it with pride, knowing you're part of a community that's making real moves in the social media space. You'll also get lifetime access to exclusive content that will be periodically uploaded. This will include interviews with global franchise owners, credible operators, entrepreneurs, industry professionals, and recognized influencers. Think of it as ongoing education, keeping you updated on trends and strategies that will keep your brand thriving. Finally, if you didn't know already, as you have joined this course, you'll have access to our exclusive affiliates program. This means that you'll be able to earn as you promote this course to help grow and benefit others. So yes, you can actually earn money from simply spreading the word and allowing others to gain this knowledge and join the Social Awaken Academy. I want to be clear, this isn't the end of our journey together. It's the beginning of something great. You've now got the tools, the knowledge, and the framework to create lasting success. But remember that social media is constantly evolving. That's why I'm here with you beyond this course. Through the Social Awaken Academy, our one-on-one call, and exclusive content, you'll have everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's a new platform, an algorithm change, or a new strategy, you'll be equipped to adapt, grow, and thrive. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with a heartfelt message. I created this course because I genuinely believe in the power of social media and personal branding to change lives. It's changed mine. From starting Social Awaken to building relationships with entrepreneurs and brands around the world, I've seen firsthand how transformative it can be. But none of it happens overnight, and none of it happens without persistence. What you've invested in isn't just a course, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to take control of your brand, your business, and your future. I know the journey isn't always easy. I've had moments where I doubted myself, where things didn't go as planned. But every time I came back stronger, more determined, and more focused on my goals. That's what I want for you. To embrace the journey, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop moving forward. You've made an incredible investment in yourself by taking this course, and I'm excited to see how you'll apply everything you've learned. Remember, you're not alone. I'm here, this community is here, and your success is within reach. Thank you again for being part of this journey with me. Keep building your brand, keep creating, and let's make an impact together.